Okay, let's get going. This is a first for me. I've never done an exam review in class before, so you're going to see how it goes. I don't think it's going to go well, personally. You've seen how poorly I do problems at the board. Now that's all I'm going to do for 75 minutes. So this isn't going to go well. But we're going to do it because we wrote it into the schedule. Remember, we wrote it in the schedule. We did the quick stuff on Tuesday because we're going to do exam review Thursday. Possibly my first and last exam review ever. We already have questions. It hasn't even, I haven't started talking yet. We already have questions. Ask a lot of questions as we go, please, because I don't have a lot of material ready. 713-806-1965. But I am going to give critical hints. And I'm only going to give them here. I'm not posting on campus because you have to come to class. If somebody isn't here, if they ask, you can tell them. Okay, let's do these questions first, just for fun. What will the test multiple choice look like? It'll be like a question and then A, B, C, D. And you got to pick A, B, C, D, or D. Will you give partial credit for multiple choice or only free response? There will be no partial credit for multiple choice. That's not possible. I mean, there are ways it can be done, but we're not going to do it. Okay, as you know, the exam covers these 5 weeks of material. Remember week 1, 1D kinematics, 1D kinematics, week 2, 2D kinematics. Week 3 was forces, F equals ma, Newton's second law. Seemed pretty comfortable with that. And then circular motion and rotational motion. So the first big picture thing I want to tell you is, remember that this is the torques, this is what everybody's mostly freaked out about, right here. It's just 1/5 of the exam. Okay, this exam is not like, it's cumulative. Let's make the whole exam about this. It's at the very most 20% this, and if anything, I would say less. So do not spend your entire time studying this and think, oh, I've probably got that stuff down, okay? It is not an exam on this. There's a little bit of this on it. So I know you want to see a lot of torque and angular motion, and we're going to do some, but I'm not doing that for the whole 75 minutes, because that's not what the whole exam is about. Does everybody get what I'm saying? Good. Do not just study this. I'm not saying it's not on there, I'm just saying it's not the whole exam. Like, oh, I got all the other stuff down. My pledge problem still says it's missing. Yeah, we lost, I think, 8 pledge problems. Never happened before. I don't know. So if you have a 0 and you did it, email us. We got to find them. They're on the bottom of some grader's car. I don't know where they are. But we will find them. No one will be penalized if we lost a pledge problem. Can you do problems over reference frames? I needed to hear that before now. I don't do these on the fly, right? I got to prepare things. So you should have asked last night. Okay, so now I'm going to give you hints in detail before we start doing problems and tell you critical things that you need to know. Okay, let's do it week at a time. Week 1, I have nothing to say about week 1. There you go. Actually, I got one thing to say. We're going to add here's something that's going to be added to the equation sheet. This will be added. d dx of x to the n equals n x to the n minus 1. dx of cosine x. Let's not put those on there. Or cosine ax. Just in case there's a little bit of derivatives on here, and you have never taken any calculus, we want this to be accessible to everyone. Isn't that what Bryce is about now? Accessibility to everyone. So we're going to give you these. You don't have to write them down. They'll be on the thing. And we'll have the correct versions. These are probably correct. d dx, right, and e to the ax equals ae to the ax. So this is just polynomials. Derivative of x squared is 2x, right? You bring the exponent down, you can drop it by 1. Derivative of cosine is negative sign, but there's something in front of the x, you got to pull it out. So you got the derivative of whatever is in here out here. Derivative of sine is cosine, but there's something in front of the x, you got to pull it out. Derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. But there's something in front of the x, you got to pull it out. Okay? I'm not saying we're doing all of those. And you can solve the problem without using any of those that I have in mind. But it might help you if you really want to do the details. There you go. So you will have those on the equation sheet. You don't have to memorize those. Okay? Calculus basic lines. So that's my only comment about 1D kinematics. That's where we started to talk about calculus. And I have no detailed comments about 1D kinematics.